Alright guys, welcome back to Prince TV. If you be so you never subscribe to this platform, make try to subscribe so that anytime we upload a video, you see how it happen, if at all, you understand? Alright, happy Sunday to you, or I hope so. Now go church. Me myself, I not go based on one or two things. So for those of now when I see you, I still go church. Happy Sunday to you all for being around here in this particular platform. Thank all of you now to support this platform. As now they support this platform, God go still support on now. Understand? Alright, so this particular video, I'm to explain to you guys what is really going on in Palermo about 13 Nigerian people that have been arrested because they applied for this Reddito di cittadinanza. You understand? Because they applied for Reddito di cittadinanza, which they are not qualified. You understand? Okay, guys, this is what we are always saying every time, that before you apply for bonus, you should know if you are eligible to apply this particular bonus. Before you go there apply for bonus, may yourself even know whether you they allowed to apply this particular bonus. You see some video when I make about the Reddito di emergency, and when they send messages, they give some people, say they reject their application, say they not fit get the money. You understand? But this one also now when happen for Palermo, they not reject the something, but they can send this Guarda di Finance, Abi Polizia, you understand, who arrest these people when like say they go apply for this Reddito di cittadinanza. Now Matteo Salvini now still bring the update come out. Normally we don't still stand for La Repubblica when they report everything, but Matteo Salvini now so don't go carry that one go to show Italian say the incapacita government, incapacita they call yourself a country. Say the government will be like say they not fit they rule the country. They know how everything they happen. Say immigrants were not supposed to apply for bonus. Now they go they apply for bonus when they not qualify. Put the picture when it take 20 minutes they sound. So now be this picture when they see for you now. So now see the write up when they that place now. So say about 13 Nigerian people now. So now they arrest because they go apply for this Reddito di cittadinanza. So guys, all this thing now we they talk. If bonus not reach your hand, may you not just go. May not be like say person go they disgrace himself. You understand? Because this life you not to get with it inside. We be like say you people go they use us, they play all those kind of stuff. So now waiting Matteo Salvini bring come out when they talk now. So if you see where he post that video, if you see the way when Italian people take the comment, so they talk different kind of things, say Vergogna, this, that, and that. Guy, if you see the way when Matteo Salvini take they use immigrant till they shine for this Italy, you yourself you go reason them. Now make they talk most of now go the verse. I don't know why people go the verse. If we they talk about Matteo Salvini, more than not the verse again, because now so is still go they talk our matter for everywhere. So we ourselves, anything we like say see the sub, most of now not the dear we go bring them to board so that everybody go carry along. So if you see that kind of thing, you still share them so that other people go know what it be like say now the sub. You understand? Because this starting point they arrest now based on say they apply for Reddito di cittadinanza. Even the story not end there. La Repubblica when they bring her come and say most of them don't involve in drug dealings. You understand? Those kind man not gonna call that kind of thing too much. Say they don't involve all those kind of something when they control them. You understand? So the thing just get complicated now. Nobody can know whether not the only the Reddito di cittadinanza when they apply now. Now make they arrest them only be because of the drug matter when can still join. So now waiting to be like say now they sub for Palermo. Now system let to know how everything they happen. So without wasting time, we'll go straight to another news most as it happen.
Prince TV.
Alright, so more go about the one of the cancellation of the Matteo Salvini law and then cancel. No, so I don't give you this update already. Says yeah, everything they happen. But why I won't do this one again now to show now how they drag for inside the parliament because of this law when it be like say they cancel. Because now as it be the Matteo Salvini law, everything now don't wipe out. So they don't already sign up to law. Say you know Gavali fee exist again as I told on yesterday. But if you see the way when the parliament people when be like say they against the law, when be like say they not be one made a sign and made Matteo Salvini law still they on. If you see the way they take the court chain for the opposition party guy, you know say something really they solve for Italy here because this law where they change will not be smart thing, not be bobo Jews. Now something when be like say not really in a favor for immigrants because now they will get access to give people documents. You understand? Because of the Matteo Salvini law not there. So the judge when we count the judge cases about immigrant different kind of things, no go fit apply the old decreto di sicurezza, but he go use the new one as the law have already stated. You understand? So all these things now, so the Matteo Salvini party they call the court chain for inside the parliament. They talk different kind of things. Say why they go change this law, why they go do this. guy, if you see the way they take court chain, you know say Italian government they really some of the party that they court chain well. So now when it be like so I never see the video where they take the court chain for inside the parliament. We'll watch the video, we'll come back, we'll finish everything. Now so the matter take play now, so now see how everything take play. So now so the everything take happen. They call the court change, say Mateo Salvini law supposed to still they on they exist, but as God may have it, finally they can't cancel everything. So we thank God say everything can't go where they can't cancel the loss of Mateo Salvini, so that the shit where he put for grant so may wipe out. So now so the matter be. So another update so be like I'll just let you know again. For those of you when they ask me that question about Casa Integrazione, you know, say this money for this Casa Integrazione and something when be like say it a delay, you understand? So the money is getting like taking time to arrive. So everybody is under this situation. Many people are under this situation of this Casa Integrazione. And even this particular Casa Integrazione is the reason why IMSS are now rejecting people who apply for ready to the Magenta, you understand? If you are under Casa Integrazione, you apply this ready to the Magenta, automatically the IMSS will always send you a rejection that you know if you get that one of ready to the Magenta, and then the ready to the Casa Integrazione now so not they come the way it's supposed to come. People when apply for this ready to the Magenta, most people have already received their ready to the Magenta, but the Casa Integrazione though it arrived about last 2 months, I be last month something like that. But for those of you maybe last one, they ask me question about the Casa Integrazione, and not to get with I'll tell now than to wait, because the government they depends on them. IMSS they get many things for their head, because now when be like say many companies they shut down, IMSS get many things for their head. When be like say they face for this occupation, and many people they do this occupation and they need to pay all this money and they need to take everything step by step. You understand? So everything just day slow. Definitely, if you do under Casa Integrazione, the money must come. That one for sure. You not get debate. You understand? So that is it. So you just have to have patience till the money will arrive. That is what I have to say, because now they have not brought any update that state that they will pay this Casa Integrazione so date, but everybody are still waiting. You understand? Even me too, I still they wait. You understand? So now so the matter take play. Now say my let know how everything till they happen. So if now your first time to come across to this platform, make try to subscribe. Here you will get something like this sometimes, but you know how they do and say if we get hot news, so we'll come our normal board, we'll stay time as it happens. You understand? Alright, so you stay blessed. The next time again we'll meet together, share out this video, and then happy Sunday once again. I remember your boy Prince TV. Ciao.